Yo, what's up, guys? It's Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I got here my bootleg version of the Reborn 100 Shokew, or whatsoever. Anyway, this is the copy from the Bandai Reborn 100, and this is from the Victory Gundam anime series. And I don't know what's the background from this kit, since I don't watch yet the Victory Gundam in full, since I am so very busy watching other animes, and I might watch that after I finish my Shokew model kit here. So there we go, we got this original version that is so overpriced, as I checked in the other platforms, and Shopee Chinese shop. They are so expensive. So good thing there's this I forgot the model kit company of this, so I will not tell any company or Chinese company that I know whoever did this kit. Anyway, if you do know that, please comment it in the comment section. So let's check this kit out and let's see what this Shokew has to offer us, the Reborn 100. So the box is really cool. It's really small box, perfectly fine, and I like to preserve the box for some, I will put some stuff or put some presents and give as a gift, like that. And I really like the head of this one here. The design, it looks like an ant, probably an ant or wasp, something like that. And at the first look, that when I saw this, my first impression is this is like the Mask Rider. I thought this is a Mask Rider kit, but no. I just remember I just ordered this Shokew model kit from a Chinese company, which I will put here on below the video. Okay, so there we go. If we open the box here, we can see, wow, this is really nice. This is the rotor shield, which is so cool. It's my first time to actually, this is the reason why I bought this kit, because of this rotor shield. This is very unique aside from its color. Okay, so there we go. We got this water slide decal. So the water slide decals is not that much, so this is very handy and easy to apply. And let's go first with the instruction manual. So there we go, we got the Reborn 100. Okay, and this is the face of again, the wasp, the Shokew wasp. So there we go, we got the parts list, and the parts list is not that much. So we got big runner here, and twice sets of runners, like that. And the instruction manual is not that the same with the other Reborn 100, where it's being stapled. This one is just like the high grade style. So I wonder, maybe this is also the same with the original Bandai kit. Okay, so there we go. It's very easy to do, so I might finish this within an hour or 2 hours if I'm not that lazy. Okay, so there we go. We got the color print out for that, and it's very yellow there. Okay, so let's go with the parts. So we got two sets of packages here, and we got this first pack, which are all black. So I will open it now for us to see what this part has to offer us. Okay, so there we go. We got the Runner E1 for the rifle, and judging the quality and texture of the plastic is really nice, and this hard and I can compare it with the JMS all kit feature or structure. So there we go, we got that metallic black, something like that, I think. So it's E1, and there we go, we got runner D. This is a bit bluish, dark bluish or gray bluish, something like that. So this is runner D here, and we got two sets of this. So I think this one for the feet and for the leg parts. Okay, so we got here another black runner, or yep. So we got this runner C1 for the small parts here, and this one for the hands. And I was just wondering, we got two sets of this, so we can make two guns out of this kit here. So we got the two sets for the runner E1, so there we can make another gun for this. Very nice. So it exceeded my expectation for this kit. So we got two sets of guns. Very cool. And there we got oh, I forgot the red part. So there we go, we got those red parts here. This is runner C2. And so we go with the yellow parts. So let's open this shit out. And there we go. These are the yellow parts. We got this beam saber effect, which is bent, and the other one is straight. So there we go, very nice. And we got this oh, the yellow plastic is really cool. This matted, and it's not that shiny and you know, the glossy thing. This is matted but smooth. I really like the texture of the plastic, and judging the appearance of the plastic, there are no mold marks. So this is runner B and another runner B here. So we got two sets of this plastic, and we got the runner A for the armor pieces. So there we go, we got this very nice, the plastic is really nice. I really like it. I hope there's no fitting issues for this kit. So there we go, let's finish this kit once and for all. And so we got the finished product for this Huangfeng 1100 Reborn Shokew, or Shokew, I don't know how to pronounce the name, but anyway, I like Shokew. So there we go, this is a very nice kit. Plastic quality is nice, it's not that hard to build, and everything is perfectly fit. I didn't encounter any issues as I build the kit, because this kit is very smooth, straight build. Okay, so one thing I noticed that this kit doesn't have any polycaps, as what we know about the Reborn 100 from Bandai. This thing doesn't rely also in polycaps. So there we go, let's check the kit. The kit is really cool. The color is very vibrant. It's a bit golden yellow, something like that, and the rotor shield color, which is purple, really complements the color yellow. And what I observe here is the V-fins, or this kind of insect-like antenna, is color separated, unlike with the Reborn 100 from Bandai. This is sticker, but this is color separated plastic. Okay. And everything here fits perfectly fine, and the articulation is really smooth as well. So the head here can rotate or turn left and right, can look up, look down. The eyes is really nice. We got two sets or two kinds of eyes there. So we got this black eye style here, which means it's the shot version of the eye, so meaning it's not yet activated, something like that. Okay, so the shoulder can rotate 360 degrees like that, and it can fold inward or bend inward and outward like that. So the shoulder armor is very loose here, so there can raise like that, and it shows some mechanisms there. I don't know what kind of mechanism is this, but maybe it's like a rail gun like that, so I don't like to reiterate with this part anymore or further. Okay, so the elbows can bend double jointed about 360 degrees. So let's remove first the hand for you to appreciate it. Okay, so let's remove the hand like that. Okay, so it can bend 180 degrees for the elbow like that, and for the abdomen there's no ab crunch for this kit, since the part here is a block like structure. Okay, so no ab crunch for this guy. And the back part here shows this kind of mechanism, so it clearly reminds me, or somehow reminds me of the non-bind style like that. So for the legs, it can kick up to this far and kick backward up to that far. But one thing I notice is the connection of the hips is a bit loose, so I might put some joint tightening pen or glue on that part. So the split cannot do splits just like the Van Damme split, so you can only split up to this far or raise up to that far. Okay, so the knees are double jointed as well, so there we go. Can bend to that far. And for the feet is really bizarre looking, so there we can move this part only, can move side to side, and can do extreme plantar flex like that. So this very bizarre looking style of feet. Okay, so there. So we got this kind of toes and heel like that. So we got the bonus weapon for this kit. So there, I got to hold the beam saber effect part, and we got another beam saber effect, which is this bent. So if you like to pose the kit on a slashing pose, you can use this bent beam saber effect part. Okay. And we got extra gun or beam rifle. So I think this kit is the batch where it got some bonus rifle. So I got thankfully I got the first batch, which is this one. So we got the extra rifle for that, and yeah. And for the eyes, we can change the eyes into this activated mode, which looks like the Mask Rider. So there we go, we got the red eyes there. So I will not use this because I still prefer the black eye there, because it do some perfect contrast with the yellow. Okay. So the hands, we got interchangeable fingers there. We got the rifle holding and the sword holding fingers swappable. There we go. So I don't like this kind of hands because I don't like swapping and changing fingers for the hand, so I might use the Dalindical hands for this kit. And there we got excess piece also for the rail gun on the shoulder, if I'm not mistaken. Okay. So let's have a size comparison for this kit for us to appreciate how this Shokew has what it looks like with the other kits. So let's compare it with the short master grade here, which is, I got here the F90 Y3 cluster Gundam. So there they got the same height, since F90 and the Victory Gundam series, they got more smaller model or mobile suit in that era compared with the early UC centuries. So I got here also Magic Knight Ray Earth, which is the Ray Earth itself. So they are of the same height. So let's compare it with the 1/100 scale Jida from Amuro Ray. So there we go, we got this Shokew being towered by the Jida, and let's compare it with the 1/100 master grade Verta new Gundam. So again, it towers the new, or the Shokew, because this is very small kit. So how about compare it with an average size model? So we got here this Luna Maria Hawk Zaku Gunner Wizard pack, and Zaku Gunner Wizard is a bit taller than the Shokew. So let's compare it with this Brick Dome, or Dome, from Huan Qian Hui model kit. So there we go. So this is a large kit as well, so it towers the Shokew. Okay. So this kit is really fun to build, and it took me about 2 hours to finish the kit. And so this is recommendable also if you're planning to collect Reborn 100 scale model kits, and I really advise this kit because it's very easy to build, beginner friendly kit, and at the same time the color is really fantastic. So thank you so much for watching this unbox review and the actual review of the Huangfeng 1/100 Shokew, which is a copy from the Reborn 100 Bandai model kit. So see you next time.